Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch between ROMs in the Galaxy S3 phone, and right now I'm on the AOKP ROM, and my aim is to switch back to the TouchWiz OS, um, and I'm currently showing off the model number or the ROM version. So what you want to do first is you want to restart the phone in the recovery mode, and AOKP ROM has an option of rebooting the phone directly into the recovery, so go ahead and use that option, or else if told you don't have that option, you know the 3-button trick: volume up, power, and home. And let's wait until it reboots in the recovery mode. Let me tell you one more time, I'm trying to switch between AOKP ROM and the TouchWiz, Samsung TouchWiz. And what you want to do basically is you need to make sure that you already have the TouchWiz backup with you. And right now what we want to do is we want to first back up the AOKP build as well, because once you switch to the TouchWiz and once you decide to come back to the AOKP and you want to use the AOKP, you need to make sure that you have that file with you. So what you want to do first is you want to back up the AOKP, and then you can proceed from that step to the next. So first I'm gonna back up my AOKP. You can see on the screen that it's backing up. This process takes a while, depends on the amount of apps and all the stuff on your phone. So let's skip to the end. Yeah, you can see that the backup is now complete, and what you want to do now is go under restore. And I've already told you that I've backed my I have a backup of my TouchWiz ROM. So before I've installed the AOKP version, I made sure that I backed up the TouchWiz first using the same procedure as you have seen previously, and that is 2012 something with the name. And the thing you want to make sure is you want to keep track of the names of the backups, because the names of the backups are generally by dates. And if you back up in the Clockwork My Recovery, you're gonna get 1970 something. So make sure you keep track of the dates. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to restore my TouchWiz backup. So just click on yes, and all the procedure would be done automatically. You need not worry about any data, you need not worry about any contacts missing or anything. Everything would be restored, including all your settings. So now what you can do is you can restart the phone, and it should restart in the TouchWiz OS. So this is quite easy, when you have different ROMs, when you want to try the ROM but you don't like some features and you want to come back to the TouchWiz. This is really very helpful. All you need to do is back up your current ROM before moving to a new ROM, and before moving to the new ROM, back to the old ROM, you want to back up the new ROM as well, so that you can switch in between different ROMs. So right now you see the AT&T logo, which means that I am currently on the TouchWiz OS. Yep, you can see that I have the TouchWiz home screen, and I'll show you how to back up easily the TouchWiz ROM. You can see my home screen there. Yeah, let's go under settings and let's verify the system information. Yep, you can see that it's 4.0.4 and it's the TouchWiz OS. And yeah, that was very easy, right? So just need to make sure that you have backups, and when you're on the TouchWiz, and make sure you have the ROM manager installed. This is the easiest way I've found to back up your TouchWiz. All you need to do is go under ROM manager, and you can select the option called as backup current ROM. That would give you a name. Make sure you keep track of names. That's very important thing, because the name has only the dates. As you can see, 1970s, the name with the 1970 in it are the Clockwork My Recovery ROMs. 2012 was the TouchWiz based ROM. That's how I keep track of the ROM names. But that's basically how you switch between the ROMs. And yeah, it was quite easy, right? You can try it out yourself too. And yep, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.